Hi guys! Welcome to another episode of Learn Math with Sir Mark, and in this video, I'm going to discuss a challenging problem in arithmetic series. Well, if you are a math coach or you have a student who is good in math and you want to give him something different from what you give to ordinary students, well, this video is right for you. Okay? So, don't forget to subscribe on my channel, Learn Math with Sir Mark. Let's go. Okay, so here's the problem. A sub 1, A sub 2, A sub 3, up to A sub 98 are terms in an arithmetic sequence with common difference 1 such that their sum is 137. The question is, what is A sub 2 plus A sub 4 plus and so on plus A sub 98? Okay, so it says in the problem there are 98 terms in an arithmetic sequence with common difference 1. Okay, and what we know so far is that the sum of those terms is 137. Okay, so that is S sub 98 is 137. Okay, so recall natin yung formula for arithmetic series, that is S sub n equals n over 2, okay, times the first term. Since we don't have the last term, so I'm going to use the second formula, that is 2a plus n minus 1 times b. See that? Okay, so since what we have is S sub 98, that's 137, that will be 137 equals, again my n is 98, that will be 49. Okay, diniretso ko na. So, my n is 98 over 2, that will be 49. Okay, times 2a plus 98 minus 1, so that will be 97, times the common difference, which is 1. See that? Okay, so I have here an equation with a as my unknown. Okay, so stop muna tayo dito. Note that ang goal natin is that what is the sum of a sub 2 plus a sub 4 up to a sub 98? Okay. Let's do it this way. Okay, note that ang a sub 2 ko, okay, yung a sub 2 ko can be written as a plus b. Alright, a plus b plus okay, plus the fourth term, which is a plus 3b. Okay, plus and so on, plus ang a sub 98 ko is a plus 97b. Alright. So since yung a sub 2 up to a sub 98, actually there are 49 terms. Agree? Kasi yung a sub 2 up to a sub 100, okay? So kung even yan, there are 50 terms, right? But since hanggang a sub 98 lang, so therefore there are 49 terms. So meaning, so there are 49a. Okay? 49a. Now, note that ang common difference is 1, so it's just like you're adding 1 plus 3 plus 5 and so on up to 97. See that? Yan, diba? So, yun. So, ibig sabihin, so, yung sum nito, so since, kagaya ng explanation kanina, ang 1 to 99, okay, ng odd number, there are 50, kaya lang hanggang 97. So, 49 yan, right? So, 49 over 2, plus times 1 plus 97. So, yung formula ng arithmetic series, right? So, meaning to say, okay, burin ko to, yung sum nito, 1 plus 3 plus 5 up to 97 is just, okay, is just 49 over 2 times 1 plus 97, or 98. See that? And from here, okay, this one can be written as 49 times a plus, okay, this one will become 49 times 49. Tama? Kasi maka-cancel to, diba? So, 98 over 2, this one will become 49. So, if I'm going to factor out yung 49 dyan, what will be left here is 49. See that? So, therefore, ang ibig ko sabihin, ang value nito, Itong sum na to, a sub 2, a sub 4, up to a sub 98, it's just 49 times a plus 49. See that? So, meaning to say, I need to get the value of a and then just do the calculation, right? And makukuha ko yung a using this one, using this information, right? That is, so yung a ko rito, okay, so yung a ko rito, okay, we can write it as, okay, 137 over 49, correct? And then I'm going to transpose negative 97, okay, all over 2. So this will be my value of a, right? And you can further simplify this as a equals 137 over 49. Oh no, 137 minus 97 times 49 all over 2 times 49. Agree? Again, sinimplify ko to. So, 137 minus 97 times 49 all over 2 times 49. Okay. So, notice nyo guys, hindi ko siya minultiply 97 times 49. I'll just leave it as is. Okay? So, what I'm going to do here is to plug in the value of a. Medyo complex nga lang tingnan, pero carry yan. Okay? So, I'm going to plug in the value of a here. So, that is, okay, I'll write it here, 49 times, okay, yung value ng a ko, which is 137 minus 97 times 49 all over 2 times 49 plus 49. Okay, plus 49. I'll use yellow. See that? Okay. Next. Now, so since para ako nag-add ng fraction dito, right? So I'm going to proceed on my calculation. That is 49 times, okay, I'll just copy this one, 137 minus 97 times 49. Okay, so this one is over 1, right? So i-multiply ko to, right? Di ba pag nag-add ng fraction is ganon? That will be plus 49, oh no, that is 49 times, di ba this 2 times 49 is 98. Okay, see that? Alright, all over, okay, all over 2 times 49. There you go. Now, look at this. Dito papasok yung trick, yung magic. Maka-cancel ngayon yung 49. Okay, note that this is 98 times 49. Hindi ko siya multiply all throughout, right? I just leave it at is. So, 98 times 49 minus 97 times 49. So, it's just 49. Agree? Again, 98 times 49 minus 97 times 49 is just 49. So, meaning to say, so, if I'm going to simplify this, what will be left here is just 137 plus yung sum nitong dalawa, which is 49, all over 2. See the trick there? Okay? So, then that's it. Proceed to the addition. Okay? So, that is 137 plus 49, that is 16, okay, 186, right? Over 2. So, 186 over 2, that's 93. There you go. Again, so yung sum ng a sub 2 plus a sub 4 up to a sub 98 is just equal to 93. Clear? Okay, so I hope nakuha niyo yung trick na ginawa ko. So, kung medyo mabilis or medyo nakakalito at first, it's expected. So, pwede nyong ulit-ulitin, replay nyo, and then stop. Okay? Until makuha nyo. Okay? So, I hope you learned something on this video. So, I'm going to see you on challenging problem on arithmetic series number 2. Stay safe.